Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up a Tuya Smart Door Lock and connect it to your mobile app. So first, install the official Tuya Smart app on your phone and create or sign into your account. Then make sure your door lock is installed correctly and has enough battery power. Then open the Tuya app and tap the Add Device option. Now from there, choose the appropriate smart lock category and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Then put the lock into pairing mode using the method provided by your specific model. And make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled on your phone depending on what your lock supports. When the lock appears in the app, select it and follow the pairing instructions. There you may need to connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. And once connected, give the lock a name so you can easily identify it with the app. Now depending on the model, you may then be able to manage supported features such as lock status, user access, or notifications. Then finally test the lock while the door is open before relying on it for normal use. So that was how to connect a compatible Tuya Smart Lock to your mobile app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.